day 2. Northland Kayak Fishing Classic. Lovely still morning, bugger all wind, and we're here Rangiputa. So this is the Rangiputa. And I've come here to try and find that last species that we need for the comp, the trevally. Well-known place to catch trevally. Don't know how I'll go here. Not an area I've fished a lot, but seen some real good trevally here. Pulled a few good trevally too. It's sort of, I don't know, I've been catching trevally really easily all through winter and spring, and now I actually need one, although hey, they're a really welcome catch because I love eating them, but now I actually need one for the comp. I struggled yesterday, so hopefully we might be able to find something here. Alright, this was my first cast, and yeah, hooked up straight away. So yeah, first cast hooked up straight away to what I suspect is a kahawai. Unfortunately, I think it's probably just a little bit big to use as a livey. But literally, first cast. Oh no, it's a trev. Oh no, it's a snapper. Huh. Okay. It's a snapper. Nice snapper. Huh. Cool. Cool. Yeah. Felt like a kahawai. Fought like a kahawai. But yeah, there we go. Nice little snapper. Let me go back. Okay, don't know what this is. Feels like a snapper. Real gentle take. I almost guarantee this is a snapper. Just another snapper. Bugger. Good one. Nice little snapper. Another nice snapper. Okay. Oh, that's one way to release them. Well, that can't be good. That can't be good at all. Shit. Damn. Fudge. Fudge. That's not cool. That's not cool at all. What do I do now? I hadn't pinched the barbs down on this or anything, so best thing to do is probably cut it off the rod to start with. That's not the best. Just put this out, like there's some kahawai working here, and I just put this out. Oh, she's in there and I can feel it. Okay. Here we go. Painful. Painful. That's not cool. I think I'll just shoot back to the shore. So I'm drifting up the harbour here, and then we'll decide what we do with it. That's gotta hurt. Oh. Alright, I got it out. It's I ended up backing it out. Actually wasn't as sore as what I thought it was going to be. Just Yeah. Anyway, that's a bloody good hole in there, but pretty glad it's out. Normally I actually crush my trebles down, and this is a new lure and I hadn't actually got around to doing it, so I'll put the hook back on the lure, crush the trebles down, and we'll get back out there. I don't seem to be bleeding too badly. Alright, I'm back on the trailer and done. No trevally unfortunately, so I guess this is the third year in a row that I'm missing the trevally for the Grand Slam, but hey, I tried pretty hard, so what else can you do? Anyway, we'll get packed up now. I'm going to go home, get cleaned up, and then we'll head off to the weigh-in. Okay, so once again it seems that I've lost some audio from this clip, but my kahawai weighed in at 1.88 kilos, so not too bad. My kingfish weighed in at 7.03 kilos, which for a just legal kingfish was actually pretty good. My snapper, while being a really big and long fish, was 80 centimeters long, unfortunately was really skinny and spent, and I think that's why it didn't fight, and it only weighed in at 7.24 kilos.
Too big for the ass.
Get on it.
Kahawai of 2.661. Northland 3.802. $9.452. Welcome along, everyone. So we're into the prize giving part of the contest. So this is the fun bit. This is what you've all been battling for over the last couple of days. A fish of 2.661, and that goes to Jared Martin. And this one, of course, he's getting a nice Lowrance sounder. And this next name is no stranger to the stage either. Nice Trev, 3.802 kilos. So that's a nice fish. Tom Steiner. This goes to Glenn Worthington.
Yeah.
So, Glenn, top prize there. Okay, moving on to the heaviest snapper. And when we first saw the fish starting to come in fact, when we first started hearing stories last night about how hard the fishing was out there, it was a little bit of a struggle to believe whether someone would actually make the 10 kilo mark, and someone has. So they've smashed it. 10.720 kilos for the heaviest snapper. Fantastic capture, Dan Fraser. Well done, Dan. That's cool.
Well, alright, that's it. I was didn't really place with any of my fish, so that's how it goes. Some really good fish came through, so it was pretty cool to see. I was really close to getting the Grand Slam. I only missed out by sort of a couple of kilos, but yeah, it was a good weekend, so that's it. I guess we'll see you in the next video, eh? Cheers.